Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow explicit language in Siri on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down, and from here tap on Screen Time. Next, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then in here we go down and tap on Content Restrictions. Next, go down to the Siri section and then tap on Explicit Language. From here you can choose between allow or don't allow. So if you don't want to allow Siri to use explicit language, then select don't allow. Otherwise select allow. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.